Hey guys, a very welcome back to my channel. I am Ruchita and today we are going to unbox the new iPad 11 M3 chip, and it's not just iPad 11, it's iPad 11 Air. So it comes with an Apple Pencil Pro, and this is the packing of Apple's box. I bought it directly from the Apple's website, and I'm figuring out how to open this box. Yes, the packaging is very good and safe and reliable also. So yay, here's my iPad and here's the Apple Pencil Pro. So let us first open the iPad. Yep, let me show you guys. It's this 128 GB. Yay, this looks so good and amazing to have my first iPad. The packaging is really very nice and really very good. I really liked the packaging. The box is also very sturdy, and again I'm figuring out how to do this. Yes, so you can see this tablet. Wow, it looks so premium, and I also have engraved my name over here, as you can see. Also, I put in an emoji of dog so that it reminds me of my pet dog. And yes, this is my iPad, new iPad. And being an iPad Air, it's really very thin, and it's 11 inch. Yes, let's open it. This one's really a dream for many of the people, as you can see. So I will set up this all after some time. Let me show you the engraving. Let me focus my camera and zoom it. Yes, can you see guys? This looks so pretty and it proves that this thing belongs to me. Now let us see the Pencil Pro. The Pencil Pro is specially designed for artists, and it has way more benefits than the normal pencil, the normal Apple Pencil. Okay, also this pencil doesn't need a separate charger, unlike the models that were produced earlier. So this is my favorite point, and it's also one of the selling points that it charges with the magnetic attraction with the iPad, so it gets stuck with this iPad from this flat side. And again, forgive me for my English, I don't know if I am using the correct words, but yes, it is how it is. So this one is really my favorite pencil, and in the next video I'll also tell you about my experience with it. So it charges that way. And then in the iPad's box we can see one cable and one adapter. So the adapter is of 20 watts, and I would suggest you that please do not use any other type of adapter for your iPad, otherwise it may get burned. And you can see this is 128 GB and all the details on the back side. So let me just zoom and show you. So this is how the engraving works, and you can engrave anything on it as long as you are buying from their official website. I don't know anything about other sites like Amazon and Flipkart. So finally I'm putting in a cover that I bought from Amazon for 600 rupees again. So I went with the transparent one to flex my name. So yes, thank you for watching.